You can refine a search in Media Management without modifying your original search. Here's how. Start by running a saved search, or by choosing your search configuration in the Look For list and typing a query in the dynamic search bar. Narrow the search by entering a keyword in the Refine search bar. Click Enter. Your search results are filtered to include metadata with the word camera. The word camera appears as a chiclet. Now let's filter by tag. Select a tag. A chiclet for the tag travel is added. To refine this search further, let's select a color. A chiclet for the color yellow is added. To save this search with your modifications, click Save Search. To learn more about saving a search, watch the How to Save a Search in Media Management video in this series. To remove a facet, remove its associated chiclet. Clear all the chiclets to return to your original search. For more tips about searching in Media Management, watch the other videos in this series.